Hi there, my name is Jirai, and today I'll show you how you can clean your Synology from all the dust that has accumulated over the years. First things first, you will need some tools. So number one, you will need a vacuum cleaner, preferably with a pointed tip, so you can get into the nooks and crannies of your Synology. Obviously, you will need a screwdriver to open it up. A damp cloth so we can wipe it from the outside because I'm sure there's some dust on the outside. Isopropyl alcohol, as it's non-conductive and it evaporates very quickly. And some cotton swabs. Please do not use them for your ears. Yeah, they're not for that. Anyway, that's enough for that. Let's begin. Okay, first things first, let's remove these two screws. Okay, now let's remove the drives. Okay, now if you move this to the front, and you can just release it. Wow, that's a lot of gunk and dirt. You can pour a little bit of isopropyl alcohol into a little bowl. Not too much because obviously it's alcohol, so it's going to evaporate quickly, but otherwise it's quite hard to manipulate. So let's clean this. Okay, so with the RAM, let's remove the RAM. Okay, same with the stick itself. Alright, we can put this back in. Click. Okay. These fans are a bit troublesome because we will need to remove them to do a proper job. So let's remove these two screws and then 8 of these that hold them together. Okay, nice. And it's being held by something. Ah, just the edge of the frame. Okay, Too easy. We got them out. Look at the amount of dirt on these guys. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. That is crazy. Alright. Okay, before and after. And now let's get rid of good. Okay, let's not forget about these. But problem with this is it's a cache. You have to remove one by one, and you have to pull it back into the same, because it's not like the hard drive. It needs to be in the same spot. Otherwise, it'll ruin your cache. Okay. And let's look at these drives. Just wait. Okay, in the reverse order. Okay, perfect. So this had been put together. Let's just finish with the discs. And we're done. Okay, we're finally done. This is now looking, I'm not gonna say like new, but it looks so much better than it was before, as you can see from the images. So yeah, hopefully you had the same result. You can see there's a lot of rubbish to be cleaned up, but mission successful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.